Hello there, it's James from the Clever Car Collection. Fancy seeing you there. I'm very glad you've joined me because today I'm here to show you this brilliant Audi A3. It's got a diesel engine. As you can see, it's on a 65 plate. It's been very well looked after, including the cam belt change a couple of years ago. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the frankly quite brilliant Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. So this is our Audi A3. It's got the 1.6 litre diesel engine and can offer an incredible 71 miles to the gallon on the combined cycle. Incredible fuel economy, this car. It's been very well looked after. We've just had 2 new front tyres put on it, and it will be serviced ahead of delivery to yourselves, and you'll also get a new 12-month MOT, and it will come with a 3-month 3,000 mile warranty. As you can see, it's a 5-door model. It's in silver. As you can see, it's got 5-spoke alloy wheels, and I absolutely love these. It's a really, really nice car to drive this. It's had 3 previous owners. It's insurance group 17E, and it is Ulez compliant. It's got a great specification. It's got sat-nav, it's got Bluetooth, it's got DAB radio. I'll show you all of that stuff when we jump inside and we'll talk through some of the history. But first, let's just have a little closer look at the outside. As you can imagine, this is a car that has done 106,850 miles. There's a couple of minor marks, nothing major to be honest with you. It's been very well looked after. Just looking around the front end here, a couple of minor marks on the bonnet, but we've hand polished this with the Auto Glym products. There's a couple of little marks along the front edge of the grille, but nothing really major. LED daytime running lights. Beautiful looking headlights and front fogs. This is one of those brand new tyres. A couple of marks on the alloy wheels, but as you can see, nothing major. Walking down the driver's side, nothing really sticks out if I'm honest. All looking pretty good. This wheel, really good condition, looking nice. Round the back, it's got a decent sized boot. As you can see, our handy shoebox to give you an idea of the scale. I'll take that out because I will forget that if I don't take it out now. Walking down the passenger side, this alloy wheel looking good. I'll show you inside the back. Really nice interior this. ISOFIX points on both those rear seats, and there are 3 seat belts as you can see. Electric windows all round as well, including in the back. Carrying on down the passenger side, nothing sticks out. Wing mirror in good condition. The windscreen all looking good. This alloy wheel, a couple of very minor marks, and another brand new tyre. As you can see, it's still got the barcode on it. Little mark there, tiny little scuff, but apart from that, all looking very nice. Right, let's jump inside. Right. Jumping inside. Did I leave the keys in here? No, I didn't. Jumping back outside the car. Jumping back in the car with the 2 keys in hand. As you can see, remote central locking on these. I will start it up so you can see all is good. As you can see, it's saying it needs an oil change, which is because we haven't done the service yet, but that will be done prior to it being handed over to yourselves. Climate control air conditioning is blowing away there. Just turn that down. Over here we've got electric windows all round. You've got electric mirrors with heating too. You've got steering wheel mounted controls here for the stereo, voice control, navigation, and over here you can adjust that screen up there. Cycle through the different options. It's got the pop-up screen for the MMI. You just press that button and up it jumps again. And as you can see, it's got Bluetooth, navigation, DAB radio, and normal FM AM. Just turn smooth radio down, and you can plug in your media devices or Bluetooth. 6-speed manual gearbox, and that's all those controls there for that screen are up there. Sorry, they're down there for up there. Decent sized glove box, and that's the locking wheel nut there in place. And yeah, as you can see, no warning lights on the dashboard all looking smooth. Right, let's go through that history. Right, history-wise, I've made a few notes about this car. It will be serviced ahead of it being delivered to yourselves. It'll also come with a new 12-month MOT. You'll also get a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, and you can upgrade that to a 12-month warranty with our partners Warranty-Wise if you so wish. It's had a really good service history, this car. Audi main dealer services in 2015 and 2016, then independence in 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23 and 2024, including that all-important timing belt replacement in 2022. So very well looks after this car, really, really nice. As you can see, very smart inside, really comfortable seats, and I really, really quite like it. Now, if you're interested in giving it a test drive, you can do that. I'm James, it's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. If you'd like to see lots of pictures, I've taken many of them. They're on our website, it's clevercarcollection.com. And we offer nationwide delivery on this car. If you're interested in getting a quote for that, please get in touch and we can give you a quote to drop this car to your door. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of being a 5-star award-winning dealership here at the Clever Car Collection, and that starts with giving people like you the best service we possibly can do. So I look forward to doing that when you come to give this really, really nice car a test drive. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.